Because you were correct in the beginning. The first song, which is about, World War II and, Nazi Germany. You had a German flag, correct. Then, To Hell and Back, second song, about Audie Murphy, American hero. You had a American flag, perfect. Then, Carolus Rex, Swedish flag, Swedish king.
Fuck yeah!
Now I gotta ask you though, soldier of three armies. You had an American flag, that's correct, because he was in the Green Berets. You had a German flag, yes, that was correct. But what the fuck? There was a Swedish flag there. He's a Finnish guy, for fuck's sake. You didn't have a Finnish flag. Okay.
Shit happens!
That's an easy way to get out of it, man. Don't you think that because we got ABBA and IKEA, we're all peaceful and shit? Actually, maybe it's time for that Swedish flag again. Can we see that?
Yes.
Can I borrow it, actually? Thank you, sir. I can put this on, and I'll be like a Swedish superhero. I'll be Swedish superhero. My superpower would be what?
Awesome.
Furniture, what?
Awesomeness!
Anyway, let's stop fucking around. Let's play you some metal. Swedish Pagan!